Kosher kitchen. Today we are adding another recipe from the cookbook, and today it's going to be potato and leek soup. My mom and dad made a really hearty soup that they used all fresh vegetables. And remember, I told you the trick to getting everything cooked and ready is to have it prepped. So my carrots are already diced. My onions are diced. The celery is diced. My leek is cleaned and ready to go. And my potatoes are peeled and diced. But I added a little extra something in there. Parsnip. Parsnip will give it a little extra sweetness. I added a little bit of my margarine into my pan, and we're going to get our vegetables in, not the potatoes. All right, we have added our leek. The carrots, celery, and the onions are going to be sauteing in our Dutch oven for about 10 minutes till they get nice and translucent. We're going to cover it for 10 minutes. We will prepare our vegetable broth, should be out and opened, and we have our potatoes along with our salt and pepper. Your station will be ready. Okay, we have now added the potatoes, have been added along with the parsnip. It has the vegetable broth, salt, and pepper. It is going to simmer on top of your stove for 45 minutes. You will turn that little heat down. You don't want it to be boiling away. And leave it here for 45 minutes. Hi, here's a little FYI. I got a whole new phone setup and a whole new tripod. And if you see the beginning, my kale chips and my beginning of my soup was a little hazy, well, it was because I had the screen saver cover put on my phone so it won't break, hence the haze. All right, our soup is done. It came out beautiful. The potatoes, the parsnip, the celery, everything is nice and soft. So, two options: food processor, bits at a time, or what I like to use is the immerser because I have control over how thick I want my soup. All right, we're going to continue our little immerser. We want to have our vegetables chunky, yet the vibrant color of the carrots and the leek to come through. It came out so beautiful. Let's get a nice look at that soup. And of course, with all chefs, we should try our soup. Remember, this is the time. If it needs that little pinch of salt, here we go. It's hot and delicious. I love the chunk of potato. The parsnip gave it that sweetness. This is a great soup to have tonight. Enjoy with a nice big piece of crusty bread. Maybe put a few kale chips on top. Pour yourself a glass of wine.